In this video, you'll learn how to manage Outlook on your Mac. Completely uninstall it, removing all leftover files, or keep the app and reset it to free up space and fix errors. We'll show both manual and automatic methods, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Let's start with manually uninstalling Outlook from your Mac. Quit Outlook. In Finder, go to the Applications folder and move Outlook to Trash. Click Go in the menu bar and select the Go to folder. Type ~/library and press Return. In the Library folder, find the service files of Outlook and remove them. Once you've removed all leftover files, go to Trash and empty it. The automatic method requires using App Cleaner and Uninstaller to quickly find and remove all app files, so nothing is left behind. Here is how. Run the uninstaller. Find and select Outlook from the list of apps. Click the Uninstall button, review the selected items, and confirm the removal. You can also quickly reset Outlook using App Cleaner and Uninstaller. Launch the app. In the left panel, select Outlook, right-click, and choose Reset Application. Confirm to remove Outlook service files and return it to default settings. Now you know how to uninstall or reset Microsoft Outlook on your Mac, manually or with App Cleaner and Uninstaller to free up space and keep your Mac running smoothly.